Hi everyone, I'm Chandana Banerjee and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share something personal about my health journey. Those of you who follow my channel regularly would have noticed that I stopped posting videos for the last few months. Now in August, I was diagnosed with something called CSR. CSR is central serous retinopathy. It is an issue in the eye or in the retina. Simply put, there are these lesions, inflammation, and fluid deposits which happen in the retina, which means that during that time, the world was a big blur for me. Any image that my eye formed was distorted and blurred, and even a straight line looked like a curvy up and down line with bumps for me. It was a very scary phase. Because when I went to the eye specialists around where we live, all of them just told me, go home and it will get better when it has to. Nobody even told me what the condition was, or what I needed to do, and they said there is no cure for it. If the body wants to heal it, it'll heal it on its own. There were even a few doctors who told me, who took pictures of the whole condition and they were like, we've never seen anything like that. So you can be rest assured that I was extremely scared and I kept wondering, what is this that I'm having? And as an author and an artist who does everything with the eye, I was not sure if I would ever get back to the same kind of lifestyle as before. In fact, even when my son played out in the evening, I couldn't even see him properly. He was just a big distorted blur to me. So even these simple things like, looking at your husband or looking at your child and being able to form a correct image, even things like that were kind of out of my reach at that point. It was during that time that I came across an Ayurvedic hospital and an Ayurvedic doctor, eye specialist, who worked with patients with eye diseases which probably other hospitals had not been able to cure. So this doctor is Dr. Dinesh Sharma of Prakash Netralay in Jaipur. I got in touch with him and booked an online consultation with him. And just during the first consultation itself, he explained what CSR was, and he told me that by the end of the treatment, all the symptoms, all these negative symptoms that I was experiencing, all of this would go, and I would be able to see clearly. At that point, when all the other medical professionals were telling me that they were not sure what would happen or when I would get cured, something like this was like a big boon. And I clung to his words like, like as if it was like a lifeboat for me. So this hope was a huge thing for me. I continued treatment with him. And of course, during the treatment, we made a lot of these changes. So I have started following a sattvic diet, and I exercised every day, and screens were a total no-no for me. So even posts that I was doing during that time, I would dictate it to my husband, and he would type it out and post it on my behalf. But most of the time, I was almost screen free. I listened to audiobooks, listened to podcasts, and did audio courses. Now, over the past few months, to cut the long story short, I started seeing improvements every single month. And just a week back, I went to the hospital to Dr. Dinesh and did a in-person treatment with him. And I'm so happy to say that my vision is restored back. My CSR is not something that I have to worry about right now. However, I am on medication for the next few months, and I will be following lifestyle restrictions as well as screen restrictions for the next 1 year, of course, and even maybe for my lifetime. But I am very thankful to Dr. Dinesh Sharma, his wife, Dr. Pooja Sharma, and the wonderful staff at Prakash Netralay. So I also wanted to give a shout out to them. I wanted to give a shout out to Asha, to Rekha ji, Trilok, and Nirma, and Kuldeep. All the lovely people there who helped us and who are still helping us, helping people with eye issues tirelessly to get better and restore their vision. If you're watching this video and you are suffering from any kind of eye issue which you've not been able to find a healing for, I would definitely recommend booking an online consultation with Prakash Netralay. And no, this is not an affiliate link or I'm not promoting them. This is a heartfelt testimonial that I wanted to share on my YouTube video. I'm going to leave a link to their website right below, so do check it out. And this was also the reason why I had disappeared from my YouTube channel, and I'm not really writing on my blogs anymore. I had two blogs, chandanabanerjee.com and gorgeousgirlsgogreen.com, and I'm not posting on them anymore. Instead, I will be making more videos for my YouTube channel, which my dear husband is editing and posting on my behalf. And I'll also be posting wellness tips, sustainability tips, homeschooling ideas on my Instagram accounts. I have two accounts. One is at the rate Chandana Millspo, and I also have a wellness and sustainability account called Gorgeous Girls Go Green. Do check it out. For those who are new to this channel and are watching this video for the first time, I am Chandana Banerjee. I am an author and artist. I am also a certified holistic health coach, women's wellness coach, and a sustainability teacher. I am also a Reiki teacher, a tarot card reader, and an angel card reader. So, yes, going forward, I will be posting videos and making videos on all of these topics. If this interests you, do subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. See you.